You're at the airport. Everything is in English. The signs, the staff, the announcements. Where is the check-in desk? Can I have a window seat? Real questions. Real situations. Your passport, please. Did you pack this yourself? Today, you'll know exactly what to say. The airport in English. From the entrance to the gate. Every line you need. I'm Mark, and this is English with Mark. If this is your first time, welcome. Let's start. The airport in English. One of the most stressful places to speak English. Everything is fast. Everyone is busy. Today we practice every part of it. Check-in, security, the gate, the flight. I say it, you repeat it. Every line. Let's go. Section 1. Arriving and finding your way. Where's the check-in desk? Where's the check-in desk? Which terminal is my flight? Which terminal is my flight? Where do I check in? Where do I check in? Is this the right line? Is this the right line? I'm flying to London. I'm flying to London. My flight is at 3 p.m. My flight is at 3 p.m. I'm checking in online. I'm checking in online. Where are the self-check-in machines? Where are the self-check-in machines? I have a connecting flight. I have a connecting flight. What time does boarding start? What time does boarding start? I need to print my boarding pass. I need to print my boarding pass. Where can I print my boarding pass? Where can I print my boarding pass? I checked in online already. I checked in online already. I need to drop off my bag. I need to drop off my bag. Where's the bag drop? Where's the bag drop? How early should I be at the gate? How early should I be at the gate? Good, now let's check in. Section 2. At the check-in desk. Here's my passport. Here's my passport. Here is my booking confirmation. Here is my booking confirmation. I have one bag to check. I have one bag to check. I have 2 bags to check. I have 2 bags to check. I only have carry-on luggage. I only have carry-on luggage. Can I have a window seat? Can I have a window seat? Can I have an aisle seat? Can I have an aisle seat? Can I sit near the exit? Can I sit near the exit? Is my flight on time? Is my flight on time? Has my flight been delayed? Has my flight been delayed? Section 3. Questions from staff. Repeat both sides. Are you checking any bags today? Are you checking any bags today? Just carry on. Just carry on. Your bag is over the weight limit. Your bag is over the weight limit. How much over is it? How much over is it? You'll need to pay an extra fee. You'll need to pay an extra fee. Okay, how much is it? Okay, how much is it? Can I see your passport, please? Can I see your passport, please? Here you go. Here you go. How many bags are you checking? How many bags are you checking? Just one. Just one. Did you pack this bag yourself? Did you pack this bag yourself? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Has anyone given you anything to carry? Has anyone given you anything to carry? No, nothing. No, nothing. Do you have any liquids in your bag? Do you have any liquids in your bag? Yes, in a clear bag. Yes, in a clear bag. Window or aisle? Window or aisle? Window, please. Window, please. Here's your boarding pass. Here's your boarding pass. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Section 4. At security. Please have your passport ready. Please have your passport ready. Here it is. Here it is. Place all liquids in a clear bag. Place all liquids in a clear bag. I have liquids in my bag. I have liquids in my bag. Take off your jacket, please. Take off your jacket, please. Please remove your shoes. Please remove your shoes. Put your laptop in the tray. Put your laptop in the tray. Take off your belt, please. Take off your belt, please. Empty your pockets, please. Empty your pockets, please. Is this bag yours? Is this bag yours? Yes, that's mine. Yes, that's mine. Could you open this bag, please? Could you open this bag, please? Of course, no problem. Of course, no problem. Step through, please. Step through, please. You're good to go. You're good to go. Section 5. At the gate. Excuse me, is this gate B12? Excuse me, is this gate B12? The gate has changed to C5. The gate has changed to C5. How long is the delay? How long is the delay? We are now boarding rows 1 to 10. We are now boarding rows 1 to 10. Can I board early? I have a child. Can I board early? I have a child. I have priority boarding. I have priority boarding. Where is gate 12? Where is gate 12? Has the gate changed? Has the gate changed? Is this the gate for London? Is this the gate for London? When does boarding start? When does boarding start? Is the flight on time? Is the flight on time? My flight has been delayed. My flight has been delayed. My flight has been canceled. My flight has been canceled. Can I get on an earlier flight? Can I get on an earlier flight? I missed my connecting flight. I missed my connecting flight. What are my options? What are my options? Section 6. Boarding the plane. Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? Could you help me with my bag? Could you help me with my bag? Could I move to another seat? Could I move to another seat? When do we start boarding? When do we start boarding? Are we landing on time? Are we landing on time? What's the local time there? What's the local time there? Boarding pass, please. Boarding pass, please. Here it is. Here it is. Which row am I in? Which row am I in? Is there space in the overhead bin? Is there space in the overhead bin? Excuse me, that's my seat. Excuse me, that's my seat. Could I swap seats with you? Could I swap seats with you? Can I have a blanket, please? Can I have a blanket, please? Can I have some water, please? Can I have some water, please? What time do we land? What time do we land? Is the Wi-Fi working? Is the Wi-Fi working? Last section. Real things people say at the airport. Sorry, do you speak English? Sorry, do you speak English? I can't find my boarding pass. I can't find my boarding pass. My luggage didn't arrive. My luggage didn't arrive. Where's the lost luggage desk? Where's the lost luggage desk? I need to declare something. I need to declare something. Nothing to declare. Nothing to declare. I think I'm at the wrong gate. I think I'm at the wrong gate. My bag is over the weight limit. My bag is over the weight limit. I left my phone at security. I left my phone at security. Can I take this on the plane? Can I take this on the plane? I need a wheelchair for my mother. I need a wheelchair for my mother. Is there a lounge I can use? Is there a lounge I can use? How far is the gate from here? How far is the gate from here? That's the airport in English. Check-in, security, the gate, boarding. Say these out loud next time you fly. I'm Mark. See you in the next episode.